Record. Ah.
Sige.
Malik, Malik. Um, Paraguay, Malika, Loquit, Lo, Game. Is it Gitaftaf na haani or Gitaftaf Pago na haani? Um,
Látaftaf.
Ilataftaf?
Ah,
Okay. Because that's like earlier, right? Okay.
gila.
Ilataftaf. Um, um, Ma lockdown i school campus sa guaha taw dyan
Jan Paki.
dyan paki hunggan un un estudiante or ha agang i eskwela dyan ha ilek niya guaha gun da gagi duki campus dyan um ginin ginanedzu i eskwela um, maagang i police and manhanaw and yeah, lockdown. So
Ay, din.
didi maat niyo lo
Gan. Dongklo
malik too. Mm-hmm.
jun na zinawjang. Uh, office team. Uh, bula nu mumuno jan zinawjang gisengsong pogo. Gija Minneapolis, no?
Hungen lo didi niya pot go like less now. Is that how I would say
Ya, didi niya.
didi det didi det niya pot go sa fanaan ma ma koni um, siete, ciento na ice
Talak.
ages. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Lo
Siyento.
guaha bula ha fanaan 2 mit pat un mit 200 like guaha bula ha i sindalu or ice agents, but they took some away.
Okay. Guagua bula, no? Lo. Uh,
Guagua
Gracia, Gracia manat phenono. Um, like some were made to leave. Gracia manat phenono.
Guasia
Manat phenono.
manat fanhono. Guasia manat fanhono hungen. And then finetnana un songen guaguaha.
Guagua, yeah, there still is some.
Oh,
Guaguaha.
guaguaha.
Ay,
Hungen. I know my idea. Um,
some
makitsu. Or is that the right way to use it? Or that kind of like is physically tired?
physical, yeah, physical enough. Mahgif kalan fatigued.
Mm. Have a Tamanoma song in like tired or like over it.
Yåfai
Yåfai.
or
Oh,
otsun. Wait,
Olsun.
yeah,
Oglota se o ne?
engan. Otsun. It's like you're over it. You're fed up with it. Otsun.
Okay. Again.
Yåfai make you like exhausted, like you tired, you know.
Okay. Met niya i Yåfai?
Kalan sang ye di. Tigwi
Oh,
ti parewidos.
okay.
Uh, yeah, the otsun is like, Guadzi bidademu and esta timalago how esta
Okay.
lo i Jafai kalan tadza malago mo paron so kalan malagaw de mas sa
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yåfai dulo. Guaha izoku some privilege that um guaizoku US passports and
Yeah.
um yeah, um Anuk had tea Somali to tea tau Somali to tea well I sometimes tea guf Anuk ha e tau Mexico too. But yeah, I I think there are people who definitely have it worse right now.
Hunggan, hunggan. Ambil gitu dulu lugar, no? No.
Hmm. Okay.
Siyempre, tahu-tahu na ni kalan mas adit lina'lå niya. Masaya Håfa na banda, no?
Hmm.
Gihinam niya, gi gitito niya, gi
Again.
gitodo klase, no? Lo ato ka magahi din, no? Sino ha un guaha na piniti-mu? Si, guagua piniti-mu ato ka dididi, no?
Hmm.
Sino sino siyenti, sino laknos, no? Ti
Again.
un ti avesti. Ti un napuputi, tahu-tahu ni adit problemanya. Diyan ganun siyenti ipiniti mo, diyan ganun laknos, diyan ganun
Again.
najuda how, no?
Hmm.
Tiyun utigwi.
Hmm. Hmm.
Pasal ka at suka dididi, no? I problema mo para ilinahan mo. Um, problema ha at suka dididi. Diyan di, por ejemplo, gi otro banda, no? Guaha di minagof-mu. Diyan at suka dikiki minagof-mu.
Hmm.
Osa, no? Sino ang sangit taglit?
Again.
Sino ang lakit? Oh, istigi minagofulo, guazi mas magof kinuguaw. Pues kalantisina be magof. Ay, magof. No, not magofaw.
Hmm.
At suka di.
Again.
Pues,
Again.
itigi linala no, to di tempo jangin no nespia. Guaha mas adit ki situation mo. Lo, to di tempo lo guaha mas namagof ki situation mo.
Again. Denancy how. Denancy how. Again.
Yeah. Sa gua lo kwi ekwa ko usang ani ostalo gimapos na saken umazuti ham jani zoku X no izoku i guenao antes no pues para guahu no maput para behu goti esti no hasta pogo kalan maput para guahu lo pogo usang ang ganito estilo kwi na at saka todong esti para guahu guaha meggaiña malolofan gimenahu. Pogo malaki i post office zo dan malaki tenda zo majama ki zorehu. Pues su mamahan zo super glue za hufa maulik no. Pues zigi lina'lå no at suka guaha masaya hafa office ti kumikila ko. Na hunggan tori dos magahit na lina'lå-mu guaha piniti-mu guaha minagof-mu no. Jangi
Again.
ocho lina'lå siya gualokwi minagof niya dan pinitin niya. Jagwana ba
Again.
ya. Gwana ba malika para un atan i situation mo za un shanti todo necessary para un shanti lo gwana ba lokwi debit yun atan hujung no debit yun talak hujung za un atan i menamo dan i fion mo za un agradeci za un ajuda dan todo eso lo gwa tiempo para todos.
Again. Again. Denancy how. Conform me to again. Oh, have a like niya talak? Talak hijong?
Talak hujung it means to look out, right? Talak hujung look out.
Okay. So, cocina una set being talak column?
Talakhalum look in.
Talak halum?
Talakhalum look in. Talakfetna or talakmetna, look forward. Talaktati, look back. Talakmagi, look at me. Talakmagi. Talagguatu, look over there.
Whoa. Okay. Talak. Kalan or talak jan iatadog pat i mata pat i tatawtaw or But
I, i
Koruati?
atadok ka.
Atarok? Okay. Okay.
Sa fauna, jangan malaga parun, face it.
Fauna?
Yeah, fauna kumakilang face. Fauna.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Oh, di tutungo toruidos.
yeah. Fauna kumakilang face it, right? So, jangan guaha pat gunay sinusangani wi. Fauna iliga, face the wall, no?
Mm.
Or fauna zu, face me, no?
Okay.
Or debidi un fauna i situation mo, debidi un fauna i problema mo, no?
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. Or mga zu pa behu fauna, I don't want to face it. I don't want to look, I don't want to,
Oh, oh.
orient myself towards it. Fauna.
Okay, okay. So put in physical object and like put it
Yeah.
into situation.
Ah,
Oh, okay.
yeah. Fauna. Then
Fauna.
talak.
Fe a dan lona ne a fauna?
A, ne, a, glota. Fauna.
Ah, glota fauna. Wow. Talak hidon, talak halom, talak halom.
Yeah.
Whoa, gofjahu. Sounds
Uh-uh.
goftadungi. Finihu?
Ay, ti sentadum.
Oh,
Uzi, imanam ko. Matutunga, edyo, napala, bro.
okay.
Talak.
Okay.
Por ejemplo, megay na second language speakers, sa sumasangan tag guini,
Oh,
atan,
yeah.
or like atan mågi, right? Or glad mo sangan lokwi atan guini. Lachi, ano? Tisunod sangan atan guini.
Oh.
Dangin po sangan na atan mågi, look towards me, atan mågi. Or
Mhm.
you can say atanju, look at me, right?
Okay.
The more fluent thing to say is talak magi, look towards
Mhm.
me, talak magi.
Okay, okay. Sa Håfa na lachi talak o i atan guini?
Yeah, tisinya atan guini sa guini. Um,
Oh,
atan,
direction,
yeah.
right?
So atan guini means look at it here, like as if you are. I want you to come here to
Oh,
look at.
okay.
But if I say atan mogi, that means look towards me.
Okay.
Right? For example, like iguini ni mogi, jangan nila ku malagujo mogi. That means I ran from somewhere else to here. Malagujo mogi. If I say malagujo guini, that means I ran within this place here,
Oh.
right? So that's why it's important to use mogi and guatu because that conveys that the verb was moving towards a certain place rather than within a certain place.
Okay.
Yeah. So, for example, jangan ilako mamokatju guihi, right? That
Mhm.
means I walked there. Like I was at a park or at a beach or something. Mamokatju guihi, right? I
Okay.
started there and I ended there. Mamokatju guihi.
Okay.
Lo, jangan ilako mamokatju guatu. That means I walked from elsewhere to there.
Okay. 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 Guatu guihi. Ko guaha I finihu I contra I mågi?
Guatu.
Oh, guatu. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Mogi is to me where I am right now.
Okay, okay. Guatu.
Anywhere else.
Okay. So guatu is not in the same class as guihi and guenao then. Okay.
Guini, guenao, and guihi are all together. Those are
Okay.
locations,
Right.
right?
Okay.
And then guatu and mogi, those are directions.
Oh, okay, okay. Aere. Gi toru na tempo hu pinaloko na guatu gagi
Lugot,
if good. Okay.
yeah, tilugot guatu na
Okay.
uh, kinalamtin, right?
Okay.
It's a movement.
Okay. Wow. Um, Guaizoku finaisen who or guaha finaisen who put pinila. Okay. Nanganada sa be meggaiña. Quatro na sentensya siya ni
Mm-hmm.
tutuhon why it's like that. Sa Håfa. Oh, and then let me put the translations. Tony was very careful. Mhm. And then ultimo not or tres the three at the bottom giini Biblia at tilong na Biblia.
Mm-hmm.
Um there's so many. Oh, antigui linguae. 1, 2, fangalamten. Stand in awe. Sinat meggaiña. Guaha. Oh, yeah.
Dan
Yeah.
esti un tataytay gi website, no?
Mm-hmm.
Mano na website talo?
ChamoruBible.org.
Okay. Yung video atan no.
Yeah.
Slow.
This
Okay.
is, yeah.
Malago para ba explica, no? After mano kumikilek na esti, no? Tony was very careful. Um, Benti kalan, when you read this, right, you're thinking, oh, like why doesn't it mean Tony took care of him, right? Like a third
Mm-hmm.
person, rather.
Mm-hmm. Hunggan like sa
Um,
pagwad. Ha, zan, gui, gin, metna zan.
inun un maulaka ino. Sa sinusongan usangani ju, I told myself, right?
Right, right.
Or this is sorry parang songan usanganin may sadjo todo tiempo. Sinun songan na usangani ju, right? Or who ha adahi gui, he helped himself. Or uh pun faisina, you will ask yourself. Pues
Okay.
maulika dangin nun songan tay guini. Ago sa dahi gui si Tony.
Okay.
Tony helped himself, took care of himself.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Di
Okay.
necessarily tempo parang songan maisa. Lo dangin nun na hola mi di maisa kalana na kloru, no? Na atokwi giza guiza hat na maisa.
Okay.
Um, Jan only esti gwana bay only esti gi otusia, no? Na sentence dispensa ju.
Mm-hmm.
Gwana bay un songan hatutuhon gui. That means it starts. It starts itself. Atutuhon gui gi enero. It starts in January,
Mm.
right? Or Gwazi masongan hahedugwi. Hahedugwi, right? That means it shrank or it folded itself.
Oh,
Hahedugwi. Yeah, you hear that sometimes.
okay.
Hahedugwi, right?
Gusto niyo repeat permet na ejemplo? Ha,
Hatutuhugwi.
hatutuhon ko? Okay.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
starts.
it starts. Okay.
Hatutuhugwi it starts in the summer, right?
Okay.
That's one way to say it. The other way people say is matututuhun.
Okay.
Yeah. Um, Jehovah, hafa muna man lohjani enimigu-hu. So it's not exactly the same as the translation. What is
Right.
literally being said is, what has caused my enemies to become like a,
Numerous.
yeah, lohjan means a crowd or
Oh, okay.
like uh I think it's related to the word lahat in Tagalog, which means everyone. Lahat.
Oh, okay.
Lahatan. I believe this is probably it was like lahatan or something like that and became lah.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
so Yeah. Lohjan. If I say lohjan tao gitasi, that means there's so many people at the beach. It's like saying bula or meggaiña, but it only has to refer to people.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So if I say man lohjan, you know, uh, it's like it's saying what is making them so numerous, right? Afa mo naman lohjan, the enimigu.
Okay. Again, who tungo into or I understand that. Lo so I know Hafa Muna,
Mm.
like why wouldn't it be just Hafa Muna Lawjan enimigu-hu? What's the
Um,
command?
hmm.
Maybe.
Kung manaman lohjan, manaman mambu, manaman mambu. I think man is optional on words like
Okay.
that. Like you can say man
Okay.
megay. I've heard that before.
Okay.
Man
Okay.
meg, many of them, right? It's like it's
Okay.
just pluralizing it. Yeah.
Extra
Guaman,
plural.
yeah. Guaman megay siya na um whatever. Guaman megay siya na oportunidad. Right. There are many, right?
Okay. Okay.
Manlohjan. Fangalamten za chá-miyu faníisao. Uh, Fangalamten here means move, right? Kalamtin means move, not quite stand in awe, but
Okay.
just
Okay.
move, get
Okay.
up, so to speak, right?
Okay. Okay.
That mizu faníisao. Are you aware of how to use tatmu or tatnya, tatmi, tathu, all things like that?
T. Gulf Malik. Not very
So
good.
tatmu kumekilik na don't, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But it's a little stronger than saying munga. So
Oh,
tatmu, it conveys either urgency or kind of like authority, one or the other, right?
okay. Okay. So
Uh,
busa zani manamko.
Try not to, use with the manamko. You could use it with friends,
Mm.
right? Right, but it also means like you better not, rather than don't.
Oh, okay.
So you could use it with friends, people that are your age, etc. But try not to use it. But it's funny because in gihalam tinaitay, data mo na in fanbasnag itentasyon no na fanibiam gitayladzi, right? So there, let's say in that case, it's an urgency thing. It's saying like, please,
Mm.
in fanbasnag itentasyon, let us not fall into temptation, right?
Mm-hmm.
So in that sense, you could use it towards God, but only because it's imploring, right, rather than
Okay.
expressing a kind of authority over him.
Okay. Okay.
Also, whenever you have ta'mu, for some reason, it always has to be reduplicated. So,
The verb that follows.
yeah, the verb or even the description, because you can also be, I believe it can, or yeah. So like, even if it's a adjective, you would reduplicate it. So if I want to say tell you don't worry, ta'mu luluhan, ta'mu luluhan, right?
Oh, okay.
That would literally translate to "Don't be a worrier." Ta'mululuhan.
Okay.
So that's why this is iisao, right? Because
Okay.
isao, uh, it means well, this can mean two things, right? Because it could be a verb or it could be an adjective. But this is either saying ta'mizu faniisao, don't sin, right? Because umisao I sinned,
Mm-hmm.
mani they're sinning, right? So ta'mu faniisao. It has to be also in the future tense because it's a command. Ta'mu faniisao.
Oh, okay.
Um, or it can mean don't be sinners, right? In that case, it's reduplicating the
Okay.
isauzo. That means I am guilty, That's another way to say that. Isao.
E sounds
So
okay.
chá-miyu faníisao, that means don't be sinners as well.
Okay. Okay.
Sinner. So
Okay.
also hear like tap mu lalalo, don't get mad,
Oh,
right? Or tap mu uh but even with like a transitive statement, right? Uh tap mu tutuli esti. Don't be taking this. Tap
mm.
mu tutuli esti. Or tap mu sasaga, don't stay. Tap mu hahanaw, don't go.
Oh,
Or you better not go. Tap mu hahanaw.
okay. Okay. Tamuha.
Yeah.
Okay. And um Hafai different like ti tigof tiugof tungo hafa um haftai manu ma naset be munga lokwe.
Hmm.
Like
Oh,
different rules.
okay. Munga. Puri
Munga.
quatres ni sino na holom gi munga. Adjectives, verbs, and nouns, right? So
Okay.
on a or most adjectives and verbs, I would say, right? So this is one that I always return to, right? If it's an adjective, there's no need to add anything to it. So you can say munga nyaling.
Okay.
That means don't be hungry, don't go hungry, right? Munga
Okay.
nyaling. My mom says that to me all the time. Munga nyaling live. Okay. What else? Munga lalalo. Don't be mad.
Mm,
Munga piniti. Don't be sad. Those are adjectives, right?
okay. Yeah.
And then if you want to, there's a division there when you're doing a transitive or an intransitive action, right? If I want to tell you don't run, munga malogu, right? I'm using it in the infinitive. Munga malogu.
Okay.
Or munga, don't laugh. Munga tumalik. Don't
Okay.
laugh. Right?
Right.
Munga,
Right.
munga humano. Don't go.
Mm-hmm.
Or munga sumaga. Don't stay. Right? So that would you're using the infinitive form.
Okay.
The the man fact, right? Munga mamokat. Don't walk.
Mm-hmm.
When you're using the transitive, it always has to be in the passive voice, which is starting it with ma.
Oh, okay.
Or at least I don't think it has to be like that, but that's how everyone uses it now. It wasn't always like that.
Oh, okay.
But if I say, munga mababa ipeta, don't open the door, what I'm literally saying is let the door not be opened.
Okay.
Yeah. Or munga makandalu ibentana, don't lock the window. Munga makandalu ibentana. Munga ma munga mafatina sa napago. Don't make that today.
Mm.
Let it
Okay.
not be made today. So any kind of transitive, you're typically
Okay.
going to make it passive rather than keeping it transitive or keeping
Okay.
it, in that kind of voice.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So
Mm.
you're almost always going to use ma, right? Except when it's like an verb.
Okay.
In that sense, you would use an
Okay.
Mga, mga tsumotu, don't eat. Things like that.
Okay. Perfect. Situs masi.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh, i ultimo na sentensya or finan i finakpu? What's last? I fihu?
I ultimo, i finakpo, dos.
I finakpu.
Meggaiña ki guaha, siha, anay umemegay, imay isniha, dani binomiya. Oh, that's two words, anay umemegay. That's two.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Uh, that doesn't mean looking for plenty, if that's what you thought. Because A also means to seek, right? Like be gamsun, or
Mm,
be uh be guihan, I'm gonna fish, right? So that doesn't mean a megai. That's megai.
okay. And then like the future marker and then memegai.
I believe so.
Okay.
Is this what's the whole sentence?
Yeah. Uh Nengen Ratu. Okay. Mm, Zan. Oh,
Okay.
wait. Go Fentigui. Y clase en lenguaje.
Hago no ma iminagof-mu corazon mo. Thou hast put gladness in my heart. Okay. Meggaiña ki guaha siya na umemegay umemegay imay isniya. Oh, I think rather than umemegay, it's supposed to be mumemegay.
Mm,
So hago no ma iminagof-mu corazon mo. Meggaiña ki guaha siya anay mumemegay imay isniya zani binuniya. Does that make sense? So when their wine and their you gave uh you gave joy to my heart, right?
mm-hmm.
More than there was
Okay.
when it was increasing their corn and their wine.
Okay. Okay.
So I think that
Mm-hmm.
probably was transcribed wrong,
Okay.
or maybe this is an older version of that word, but you would think of it as mumemegay now rather than, or I think that maybe they missed the letter because that's all
Okay.
it is. Mumemegay, yeah.
Kailangan guahu, um, who maybe it was me that missed the letter sa, go antigui, dilitrehagi at dilung na Biblia dyan, pues whom fat mauliki
Mhm.
idilitreha. So, guana biahi who missed some letters, benti. I think I was more confused with the meggaiña ki guahasya. Is it?
Oh,
Yeah. But-
see here it does nothing. Let's ignore it. So
okay.
meggaiña guaha more than there was.
Okay. Meggaiña ki guaha. Okay. Yeah, I just have not seen that before. Tatnai huli etsu.
Yeah. So meggaiña ki guaha. It's like saying more than there would have been, or more than there were. Um,
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah.
does that make sense?
Again, again. Zenlokwe who tugi papai hina sokku zen ishinenteku kimapus na semana pipet gai chat zen
Again,
sinyata fat malik or
again.
say
Kita ifinenina tumatlu tati gitsetsohu. Malik. Magusto sa sinya huli imanatungohu gi opisina talo. Malik. Gi Jueves i atungohu hakoni ipat gun logo ininigamonya dari
Mhm.
opisina. Office ti kumikilagnya ipat gun logo.
She brought puppies from her house to the work
Oh,
to yeah.
mangon ni gue galagitu.
Agitu?
Mangon ni gue galagitu.
Galagitu?
Ah, ah, galagitu. She brought puppies.
Oh. Oh, okay, okay. Mangoni sa
Mangoni, no
Mangoni.
G.
Oh, okay, okay. Mangoni gui gat lagitu. Gat lagitu.
Ah, ah. Mangon ni gue galagitu. Gininigamonya pari opisina. From her home to the office.
Okay.
Man magoday todo itaw-taw. Gua man edzak ni manugo. Apa
Like
manugo?
stopped by or sugo, but plural?
Yeah, yeah. Apa kumikilig mo man edzak?
Oh, students. I don't know if that
Oh, gua man i-edzak.
many edzak? Oh,
Say
okay.
gua man edzak or gua man estudianti.
Okay.
Yeah. So gua man i-edzak learners.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do.
Man sugo. Para umali i lagi tu siya. Yeah. So for this is kind of awkward to say, but like you have to say mansugo, right? Because there's another word that we have tugo, right? And if you say so, you probably wanted to say manugo, right?
Mhm.
But manugo it means like to orgasm. So you want to say that you want to say mansugo, yeah, right? So yeah, just keep when you have sugo, right? For some reason, or it happens sometimes when we want to put the man, right? Either the pluralizer or the indefinite on a word.
Mhm.
Sometimes we don't do that rule where we're
Okay.
combining the letters together and stuff like that because it
Okay.
might be confused with another word,
Okay.
or it might not be obvious what you mean by that word, right? There's certain
Okay.
words that, they're so similar to other words that it's safe to just say the man and the word together.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
That's good to know.
Yeah. Paru mali igalagito siya hanggan. So
Yeah.
maunaw ki dos na init nun napos na si maunaw hanggan. Uno put umedzak finot sa moro jan i ocho para minagof-fa. Para min yeah. Gi init nun uh gi init nun finot. The put there is not necessary. You could say it, but it's like that's your English
Oh,
command
okay.
in the meeting for speaking tomorrow, but you could just say gi init nun finot sa moro in the
Okay.
tomorrow mafanaan finot sa moro dyan si David. Oh, mole. Ay, da yung guide si David at tunguhu. Kada dinanya, there's a glota at the end of dinanya.
Oh, okay.
Kada dinanya, manaytay dyan mamula ham ni tinigi gi finot sa moro. Kung Uh, the ni is not necessary.
Okay.
To say kada dinanya, manaytay dyan mamula ham tinigi.
Okay.
We write and translate writings. Right? Gi finot sa moro.
Right.
Itinigi pogo historian sirin. Gofzao. Giinit nun para minagof-fa pura famalawan. So maunaw jo gifinit nina na dinanya gibetnis. Mamoloham ni Flores gi masetan mommy.
Like we arranged.
Oh, then yeah, the ni is not necessary there. Again,
Okay.
mamoloham Flores gi masetan mommy. We
Okay.
put uh we put flowers in our vase in our flower pots, right? Our vases.
Right. Yes.
Or you can even say the mommy is also because you're saying we put flowers in our vases. You could also
Mhm.
take out the mommy, and that would be we put flowers in vases. So you
Mm.
could say "Mamuluham flores di maceta."
Okay.
That
Okay.
mangi menam hunggan manyolikam hunggan. Uh, we got to know each other. Is that what you're trying to say? Like we
Yeah.
started to get to know each other.
Okay.
Um, uh, in titihuni,
Oh,
titihuni, uh, umatungo.
titihuni umatungo. Okay.
So we started to get to know each other. Umatungo.
Okay. Titihuni umatungo.
I should be writing that. In titihuni, umatungo. Yeah. But you could also say, like I said, in tutuhon, umatungo.
Mm.
Maule kadzu na klase ni net nun sa ha na iham.
Okay.
You need to have whenever you have a transitive verb, you always
Mm-hmm.
have a uh, pronoun, even if a name, right, is being given.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sahana. Okay.
Because if you just say sa na iham onimu,
Uh-huh.
that's a command now.
Oh,
Not like
okay.
yeah, you're saying like that's a good kind of group because give us. So if you have to have the
Okay.
have in order to say that it
Okay.
gives.
Okay.
And now iham onimu. Um, gipago na tiempo. What exactly do you mean to say?
Like it gave us like strength to handle these times
Mm. Um,
or
uh, guini na tiempo.
guini na
Yeah. And now iham onimu guini na tiempo. So whenever you have
guini na.
in this, right? Like in this class, you
Mm-hmm.
don't say gi esti na class or you don't say gi ini na class, you say guini na class.
Oh, okay, okay.
It sounds weird because in English that sounds like here class. But in
Mm-hmm.
Chamorro, that's what guini means. It means in this.
Okay.
So
Guini.
like you would say guini na um guini na haani is like on this day, right?
Oh,
Rather than saying because you it's pago na haani otherwise, like today, right?
right.
Guini na haani. If I want to say like in this day,
Mm-hmm.
I will blah blah blah. And that's why they say guihi na haani, that day, right?
Oh,
Or
okay.
in that day. And then yeah, or guihi na tiempo, they also say. Guihi na, like in those days, guihi na tiempo.
Guini na tiempo.
Yeah.
Okay. So would that also mean like during that time I don't have to say like durante guihi na tiempo. It's already understood. Like,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah.
In that time. Yeah.
Okay.
What else? Like I could ask a question. I could say like, oh, are there chairs in this class? Let's say we're going through a school, like taking inventory. Kogwa hasida guini na class,
Okay.
right? Rather than saying kogwa hasida gi esti na class or
Okay.
ini na class, you'd say guini na class. Um,
Okay. Okay.
does that make sense?
Again, Malik. Situs masi.
That was a good.
Okay. Azuki torui finaisenhu. Um, or purin piniti-mu. Um, con con gai Olympics i Hugandu Olympics.
Oh, matutugi Olympics bago? I
Hunggan.
winter?
Hunggan.
Oh, ay tiu ay aga. Tada
Oh,
jo ko keiko.
okay, okay. Yeah. Um, estigi. Would I use estigi for like also like this time is my first time like estigi I finenana na
Da,
biyahe na hu ega?
da. Yeah,
Okay, okay,
yeah, yeah. Estigi finenena na hu ega. Even you don't have to say nabiyai. You can even say
oh,
estigi finenena na hu ega. This is the first that I watched it.
okay, okay. Estigi finenana na hu ega. Um, sa Dunkaluna thing, uh, guini. Um, though it, hmm, how would I say, is there a word that's like something seems
Mm.
dangerous or like appears dangerous?
Kalan, kalan or fanan.
Fanan. Okay, Kalan or Fanan. Oh, yeah. That's another question. Like how are Kulan and Kalan used?
Oh, they're the same. It's just dialect.
Okay.
Some people say
Oh, okay.
kalan. Some people say kulan. Some people say kalang, and some people say kulang.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Man prewa todo.
Okay.
Kau gitu dialect pura kalan, kalan. Gitu zotnya. Masongan
Okay.
kalan. Ya.
Okay.
Lo giza hagatnya masongan kulan.
Kulan. Okay.
Ya. Dan susesedi
Kung hafanas usa giza sa ipan?
tugef tungo. Tugef
Okay.
tungo. Oh, fanan kulan lukwi masongan mas. Giza sa
Okay.
i. Ya.
Okay. Kulan. Yeah, Kulan peligroso y
Peligro. Kulan
peli
peligro.
Kulan peligrui Hugandu Siagi Winter Olympics. Lo Benito y ice skating. Con Ega y
Super Bowl?
Ahi the Super Bowl, the Bad Bunny show.
Ah, hunggan uega ibad ba ni siya sa umanok gi YouTube apa sih algorithm gi
Mm,
feed ya pues uega mentras no matututuzo mentras no
okay.
mama zo lo apa sih tiu ega I Super Bowl tiga football zo
Yeah. Okay. Qualoque tu comprendi Håfa susesedi gi Hugandu lo Guatu si Bad Bunny dan um uh con uh con Lee I news ginin KUAM na I stylist for Bad Bunny. Idonia stylist si Bad Bunny. CHamoru um
oh
ginin guahan ginin
tatawahan
Nandedidu. I familianya Manyasika Gita Guam. Ha? So
ang sabi espion no Bad Bunny Guam
yeah.
Storm Pablo
Hungan.
Hmm.
Tao Tao Dedidu?
Manuel San Agustin Pablo II. Fernando Moro, yeah, sempre, no? San Agustin Pablo, Storm Pablo. Honesty. Yeah, no, yeah, sempre Chamorro. Lo, gana ba hunggan like guadi kalan, idi Chamorro, natural estisa, gana ba no, maulik bidadata, dan gana ba baba bidadata, no? Gua idi, gi un tiempo, gi Olympics, I mas zumok na tao-tao, Chamorro. Um, Fanan sumano gi judo, but eko hafa lo kalan 500 libras is 500 pounds or something like that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Uruguay, no? Dan gua lo kwe gua tahu-tahu kalan pumunut si Tata Nicki Minaj. Ikwa
Oh,
ko tahu-tahu guaha.
Oh,
Guiza pumuno si Tatan Nicki Minaj. Giza New York.
what the? Whoa.
Dan si Trump, ito
Mm-hmm.
niya chauffeur,
Uh-huh.
antes,
Mm-hmm.
sa fanan mapreso sa gi ko of ito niya case si
Mm-hmm.
Trump gi anay anay ma-impeach na
Mm.
no hasiya ni mapreso put edzo logwidza oyet.
Mm. Okay. Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Baba.
Yeah.
Wait, Baba?
Manok baba
Baba.
bad.
Baba.
Uh, umano kita moro gi maulik pat baba na sitwasyon gana ba natalik, you know.
Okay.
Um, yeah, having
Hmm.
yeah.
Oh, um, malagutsu fumaisin how? Um, maybe not today. Venti tipaku lo cusinio sulitu like tarean guma, but yeah, sa tutuhon na who natsonic maisatsu like so.
May if Pinoy ni estisa gua papethu ni
Okay.
hutuge put uh, tarea
Okay.
dan yung malago paron atan. Kay gigi joku Google Classroom.
Mm-hmm.
Estun babe no danun
Mm-hmm.
un atan esti recommended weekly homework. Dan yung malago how mas kalan structure.
Okay.
Esti gi recommenda para
Okay.
to amzu laman you know hafa parense gui lo
Mm-hmm.
gi mu fanan maulik manggi pues jahu na you know manggihaw sinangan za or hunggan manggihaw kalan na dikigen na tinigi no pues ta atan za ta na kaskas pues maulik esta eno sino ta
Mm-hmm.
tsogwi no simona jangi malago haw
Mm-hmm.
dan sino un na idzu con tiempo right ahead of time za sino
Okay.
u nagasgas antes di class ta jangi
Okay.
malago haw
Okay.
um masaya fa malago mo sino su atan gi class ta pat sino hu atan con tiempo
Okay.
fanan esta un tataytay
Oh, yeah.
siya, no? Fanan esta un upus, you know, esti na istaw. You've already passed this level. Fanan ti necessary with Quizlet sa esta, you know, tungkol vocabulary mo.
Mm-hmm.
Um, esti siya do su recommenda para
Okay.
hago
Okay.
i
Okay.
uh, no pan ekungok interview
Okay.
gay gipapa audio files. Masaya uno pa dos kada semana jangan malagaw da jangan you know malagaw sinun ekong dos biyay
Okay.
para un siguro na undan si afo kumakilag na jangan guahan na um hinangok mo ni tiyong komprendi sinun tu papa jabe explica afo
Okay.
kumakilag niya no
Okay.
dan estilo bubula no kadada na istorya gini lokwe pues jangan malagaw sinun atan sa ambis guaw lokwe i
Mm-hmm.
estauhu
Mm-hmm.
sesu menunod zo palabras ni tutungo pues sino un you know dapat guini za un tay jan espiya na hafa tiun tungo
Okay. Okay.
tapi sino un nadoko inimprende mo
Okay.
tay guini
Okay. Oh, yeah.
terus tisya recommenda
Okay.
jangan
Okay.
jangan nilakaw na tarea
Okay. Okay. Malik, Malik. Um, yeah, I think I tried. reading one of the short stories, and y historia por y guihan y tres maniatlu y guihan. Then ay in Cubacao sa tiutungo bula na na like the words about like racing and I don't
Oh,
know. There was just a lot of words that I didn't know and I was expecting it to be easy. And then I was like, never mind. But it's just
ah,
beta
sa na na guau gi istauhu megai tiutungo megai tihu experiencia no megai tihu tagi na
Mm,
finiho dan sinangan pues ya guau debi di be fan estudia
okay.
no edzigi kanan gi istaumu edzigi mas bali para hago edzi o mekenguk interview dan manaitai lab lu
Okay.
dan mågi
Okay.
malagi
Okay. Okay. Beto gui.
si dus masin na mamamasin no sa megay kalan estia sesut nia gi finot samor i ora pues jahu na un megay un sotsugui gi fuera di esti na class ta
Except for this class time?
outside of this
Oh,
like
outside.
outside fuera di also means outside
Oh, okay. 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 Si tus maasi lo qui.
algumas
Na para you.